Hi everyone. In this video we are going to learn about financial institutions, bank which is not listed on any stock exchange entity type. So we are going to check what are the information is required to do KYC for the financial institution. Okay, let's start. A financial institution is an institution that provides financial services for its customer or members as intermediaries of a capital and debt market. So most financial institutions are highly regulated, and there are two major type of the financial institutions: banks. First is banks and other credit institutions, example building society and credit unions, that accept and manage the deposit. Second is lenders, banks who make the loans, mortgage, and other credit products available. So these are the two different types of banks which is providing financial services to the customers. Now, banks and cooperative banks. So mutual saving banks are for profit banks. They are owned by their depositors and do not usually have outside shareholders. Like cooperative banks are typically owned by the customers who serve as their members. Since these banks do not have a traditional shareholding structure, when requesting ownership from banks and cooperative banks, they should be asked whether any members hold 25% or more votings or capital shares of the banks. Additionally, if KYC has confirmed that the customer is member owned mutual bank or cooperative bank, further request for the barrier shares confirmation are not required, as if would be a self evident that there are no barrier shares in the membership ownership structure. So these two kind of banks comes under the financial institutions, banks which is not listed on any stock exchange. Now, what are the CDD information required when we are doing KYC for the financial institutions like banks? So first is full legal name of the customer, and we can verify through the company registry where that bank is registered. On that website, on the company registry website, we can identify or verify. Second is registered number or government issued ID number. We can verify through the company registry. Registered address and business address, we can identify and verify through the uh, global legal entity identifier website, or Orbis DNB. There are so many applications are available. We can check our entity name on those websites, and we will get all the details related to that client, so we can verify. Legal forms, we can verify through the company registry. Country of establishment, from the company registry, and date of incorporation, company registry, because all these details are we will get from the company registry website. Trading name from the annual report or DNB report. Constitution information from the company registry. Then name of the regulatory authorities and regulated status. So we can check from that particular country's regulator website, that bank or that institution, financial institution, is regulated or not. Then proof of the MLCFT's frameworks, we can check through the Ulzberg questionnaire. um, and last one is the correspondent trading relationship. We can check through the Ulzberg questionnaire. Ulzberg questionnaire is the one document most of the financial institutions and banks um, file that fill that Ulzberg questionnaire form, and So that is also one of the important document. Now, about ownership and control structure. So, for financial institution, whenever we are doing KYC, uh, we will identify who is the ultimate beneficial owner. Otherwise, if there is no any ultimate beneficial owner, so we will check who are the controlling person, who are the responsible for take a decision for the bank or financial institution to that to run it good way on the daily basis. So we will capture those individuals name. So we will collect full legal name of that individual's date of birth and residential address. About the related party, so we will check executive directors or equivalent CEO, CFO, COO, and we will capture full legal name of that individual, date of birth and residential address. So in the bank case, if it is a branch entity, so in that case we will capture relationship manager name also, because he or is a part of the um, management, or they are responsible for taking important decision to run that bank on very good way. So we will capture those individuals name as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video will be helpful for those person or those candidates who are looking for a job in AML KYC and who wants to make their career in AML KYC process. Um, and follow my channel. I'll make a lots of videos related to the AML KYC process. So, and please share with your friends, family member who are interested in the global KYC process. Thank you so much.